Okay, here's an example, and I want to go through it and show you some of the things I've checked for and show you how to make some corrections if you find that your feedback falls in line with some of the things that I show you here. So first of all, I see one and it looks pretty good at first blush, although this should be red. So I click on it and I go, up, that's on the 0 layer. That belongs on the dim text layer, and then I click on one of these and up, I can't click on it. I'm in paper space on my layout and I can't click on it. So I'm thinking there might be something wrong. If I go to my model, they're in the model. My dims are in the model. How did they get there? Probably on accident. You probably clicked model while you're doing so. It doesn't matter. There's a real easy way to get those to change, and I'm going to show that to you in a minute. Okay, I'm not going to go into all the reasons again why these belong on the paper. As a matter of fact, many companies put them here in the model, and you need to be able to go back and forth. That's one of the jobs that you might have, is to change all those. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. Okay, first I'm going to go, those are in the model, so I'm going to click model, and now I can touch it. Ooh, that's really cool. And if I want to change the space, I want to change it from model space to paper space, I can do CH, I'm just typing it in, space, change space. And I'm going to select that object and enter. And now in paper space, I can touch those and they no longer show up in the model. So there's a little trick. If you got a feedback that said annotations are in model space, you can click on this and then do change space. If you're working for somebody that says no, they all need to be in model space, I can go change space. Try that again. CH space. And I can take these, enter, and now they're all in the model. I can go back and forth with any of these. So be sure everything is on the right layer. Be sure you have the right dim style, 3 decimal places. Be sure that all of your annotations are in paper space. So here I go. I can't touch them now while I'm in paper space. So I'm going to click the paper button and now I'm model. CH space, enter. Select everything that I want to change, enter. Now they're in paper space. I no longer see them in my model. Now I look at one other thing and I go, that's still on the 0 layer. And as a matter of fact, I didn't even bring them in. Let's see. I'd have to go. I'm just going to remake it really quickly. Geo. You can bring it in from your design center too, which is what was supposed to happen. So all of these belong on the geo layer. So if I select them, they're on the geo layer. Yeah, that's how I can tell really quick. My line weights show up. They're thick lines. Okay, there we go. Okay. These belong in model space. These belong in paper space. That's the majority of the problems. Many people didn't realize that there's more to do than fixing the shape. you need to get all these dimensions right, get the layers right, get your name on there, get your model space, your paper space, get your layout. Well, let's check one more thing. Oh no! I'm not at the right scale. Let me change that to 1:1. Darn it. So I can either put those back or I can do reassociate, whichever is quicker. Dim reassociate. That one is going to go to there and there. And that one is going to go to there and there. So I can reassociate those, or I can just change them. Okay, so be sure that you've got your scale correct too. There we go. Those are some of the things that came up and how you would fix them. It's pretty quick if you've got most of it right and just a few things in the wrong place or in the wrong standard.